So we've started with our rings. Let's go ahead and finish up with them. As we can see here, we've rendered some clouds in there. So let's go ahead and filter. Let's distort these. Let's go ahead and put twirl in there. There we go. Let's crank that up. Let's crank it up all the way. There we go. Massive swirl in there. You know what? I don't like that. Let's do that again. Let's Control Z. Let's filter. Distort. Let's do twirl again. There we go. Let's see. Well, I guess that's all the options we really have, and it's all the way up. So that's fine. We'll just deal with it like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do another selection in here. Let's actually do select, modify, contract our selection, and let's contract it by, let's see, we got 30 pixels there. That should do it. Nah, let's take it in a little bit more. Let's do select, modify, contract. Let's do it by 60 pixels. There we go, that's a little bit better. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our erase brush at 100%. And actually let's do a select, let's feather this layer. Modify, we'll feather it by about 10 pixels, sounds good. There we go. Now let's just start erasing. And as you can see, it'll feather our little outside edge there, which is fine with us, and create what we're looking for. Alright, we'll pause there and we'll pick it up in the next part.